The baguette cut diamond is a sleek and sophisticated shape known for its elongated rectangular form and step-cut faceting. This cut features straight, parallel facets that create a clean and elegant appearance, emphasizing clarity and symmetry over sparkle. Its name comes from the French word for stick, reflecting its linear minimalist design. Typically used as accent stones, baguette cut diamonds are popular in multi-stone settings, such as eternity bands or as side stones in engagement rings. Their understated brilliance and geometric appeal make them ideal for complementing larger center stones, creating a harmonious and balanced look. What makes the baguette cut unique is its timeless simplicity. While it doesn't sparkle as intensely as brilliant cuts, it offers a refined and sophisticated charm, perfect for those who appreciate modern architectural aesthetics. Whether used in vintage-inspired designs or sleek contemporary pieces, the baguette cut diamond adds an air of understated elegance to any jewelry collection. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.